air filter. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to do is pop the latch and then open the hood. And here is where your air filter is hiding, guys. Ratchet and socket. There's one. Two. Now you're going to remove all 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now just remove the air cleaner assembly. Set it to the side. And here's the air filter. And if this pops out, just pick it up, put it back in place. Here's the old filter. And this is the new one. That's the part number. Just take it out. God damn it. Here's the new filter. And now guys, align the 2 holes. Make sure it turns into the correct way. Make sure you align the notch. So the notch that's on the box. There you go. And don't forget to reconnect the air tube. And that's basically it, guys.